Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. All those words start with this letter, which is what? Yes, G, 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 G. And that's just a little ways into the alphabet, isn't it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's the map, and here again. And what animals do you see? Yep, that's a goat. They're saying good night. They probably sang songs with the guitar. All right, we always start at the top by the dot. Number 1 says that, and curve on back. Touch, 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 up to the dotted line, and slide left, slide in. Remember to leave that opening. It's not an O. Okay, I think slide, curve back, down, touch the dotted line and go straight in. It should not look like a 6. Ooh, they're almost the same, but they're not, are they? This part's the same, but then it just keeps circling. The 6 just circles, curves, and rolls in. Not the G. The G, this part's the same as a 6, but now right here, you stop at the dotted line and make a straight line going in. When they're right next to each other, you can see how different they are. So work on, make sure it's a 6, not a 6. No, not a 6, a G. And you are doing so good at stop and check. Look at your work. Be proud. Find your 2 best G's and circle. Let's read the words that start with G. G, G. Good. This is a girl's name. Gwen. I had a friend named Gwen when I was in high school. And a boy's name, Gabe. Then some more circle letters with the lowercase g, and I am going to move the camera so that you see it better, and I need to erase my uppercase G items, letters. And then there it is. I will point to the pictures at the top, and you say the word that starts with the G. What is that? Guitar. What animal do you see? Goat. And these flowers are growing in one spot, and that's called a garden. Trace and write. Start at the dot, of course. Circle back all the way up, around, push up, pull down, curve back. Whoo, a lot of words for that one. So basically you're making that circle, and then you have to push up so that you have a straight line coming down, and then just before you get to the bottom, curve it back up. G, G. If I were you, if you don't know these letters very well, you should say G every time you're writing it. G, G, G. That will help you learn it if you don't know it yet. And the words at the bottom for you to trace are the same words that you read up on in the picture. So we just read those. I think you can do that. And I'm thinking, why is it important to learn how to write neatly? Well, because when you write, if you're going to write a letter to your grandma or your grandpa, they both start with G. It has to be neat enough for them to read it. And all the writing that you do in your writing folder, if it's not done neatly and correctly, you won't be able to read it. I won't be able to read it. No one will be able to read it. So it is loving yourself to say, I want to do the best I can. It's loving others to give them something that they will be able to read and enjoy. So get ready and go.